Well, hello. Hello. Wardstone and Beegs. Posture check. Did I even start yet? How's it going? Hmm. What up, Beegs? I'm not feeling it today. Not feeling it today. Just woke up from a nap's only half here. I need a nap. I was just out there in the 97-degree heat, just getting lunch. Oof, it's brutal. Oh, right. You guys are both Celsius. What is that? 39 degrees? Booyah really knows how to sell a stream. I'm not here to sell anything. Also, my light won't turn on. What's up with that? Right. I get no key light today. This is going to be a rimlet only. Ugh. All right. Here's what's actually on the agenda today. I already submitted my final build to Steam. I'm waiting for them to approve my page, which it's taking a minute. I'm a little nervous, 3 days till the demo launches and the page isn't approved yet. The build is approved, which is good. I just need to play it and find more bugs. So that might be what I do. I keep saying I need to capture footage, shoot a trailer, but I don't think I'm going to get to that. I just don't have it in me to do another trailer. Having a really hard time, like, doing that. It's possible I could try shooting. Let's try this. Let's try this, actually. All right, I'm going to move this to my main screen, and I am going to show my desktop. Okay, so I'm going to switch to laptop monitor. Boom. Laptop monitor. So this is where I need to do my capturing because this will capture almost 4K. So I can get an almost 4K trailer. So if I put Unity over there, let's do a test. Let's do a test. So I definitely want to do 16:9. And I'm just going to see if it can capture it while streaming and see if it lags. I've done this before on the other monitor and it worked kind of fine. Oh, I have a bear in the build. There's a bear in the build. No, that's not in the build. I just tested that. Post build. Ooh, there might be a bear in the build. I have to re-upload the build. All right, let's just see. I was wondering, you were almost boiled water outside. Yeah. I almost did. I was almost cooked. I mean, I'm pretty cooked anyway. Quick time. Uh, it's raining today? Is it? Kyo ame? Mr. Mart, how's it going? Is that what you just said? It's today's rain? My head explode? Why? What's the matter? So what I need entire screen. And then the microphone needs to be black hole 2 channel. Record. Let's see how it comes out. Nicolale, welcome in. How's it going? That's you said you're lucky. I wish it were raining here. So there's a little bit of hitch, 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 think, think. Wait, it's so consistent. I think it has something to do with the save system. All right, so let's stop it. So this is how it looks. Oh, it's capturing the Zelda music. That's okay. We can turn that off. I feel it. It must be the save system. Maybe I can make it less than 2 seconds. Or more than 2 seconds. Managers. System. Save system. Update delay is 3 seconds. What if I say 10 seconds? All good. I'm just quoting strong bad. What's strong bad? Ooh, it's still hitching every 2 seconds. What's going on here? Maybe I just do profiling tests? Also, what if I drop the resolution to 1080? Bonk, bonk. No, still. What is that? That's crazy. Window. Profiler. Whoa, check this out. So it looks like I'm running out of memory. I'm just constantly running out of memory every 2 seconds and it's doing a garbage collection? What is this spike? Spiky spike, yeah. We used to lose hours and hours of progress just by not paying attention? You're too kind? Whoa, what do you mean? What? Nicolale, you're confusing me. Yeah, this is spiky. 2 second saves? Oh. Well, it's funny because I actually don't save it I don't really save it every 2 seconds. I tell the game to just make sure to I tell all the game objects like, hey, make sure you know what you're doing. Just make sure to save all your data, put it in this place every 2 seconds. I don't actually write to the save file until until the day ends, so I'm actually not generous at all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna switch back to this monitor. I can't work on the laptop monitor. It's so tiny. Okay, so what the hell's going on over here? Yeah, time 66 milliseconds. Virtue, what is up? Winsing. How are you guys doing? So it's in the update loop. Input system input. Garbage collection. It is garbage collection, but for the input system. It's 10 a.m. soon in here. Time to wake up. Yeah. Good morning, Finn. Hello, my sweet, sweet Finn. Computer. Are you using the new input system? No, I'm not. Let's check that out. What's going on every 2 seconds? Up, Input system. Yeah, this might be fixable. Computer, I watched the Yogscast, broadcast of Quizards. If anyone else wants to see Computer's game, he's in Tiny Teams. Yogscast, very popular publisher, played his game on stream. It's very cool game. Check it out. You wanted to blame shit on the new input system? Nah, this is total user error. I probably have something in the update function checking every 2 seconds. Something. So this controller, this checks every frame. But it's the garbage collection. So what that means is that something's building up over time and it just takes 2 seconds for it to hit like max memory usage. So what in here is causing that? I can't wait to find out. Let's bring the profiler up here. This is pretty bad. I do a lot of nasty stuff in the input controller. Check this out. I'm using keyboard controls and it's fine. Right? Keyboard controls are kind of fine. But if I switch to the controller, bing, 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 bing. Wow, okay. Something to do with the controllers. I'm about to reach a 7-stream streak, so I'm out of here in rebellion. Still love this. It's fun to find out. Yeah, let's find out. I can't wait to see what this is. So if controller is pressed, something happening in here. Or wait, if gamepad system's active. Oh, but it could be this. What if I hide this? So this is what I do to see if a keyboard button was pressed. I don't like to give shout outs right when I start because nobody's here. I like to wait for people to like show up. So I noticed Wardstone and Beeks, first people in here. And in my mind, I'm like, yeah, once people start showing up, I'm going to go, just so you know, our good friends Wardstone and Beeks deserve your follows and attention. So give me a minute. Beeks has to leave because he's normal. PC Master Race wins again? No way. No way. Honestly, it's because the PC. I think it's because the PC is trying to take back control. I think all that memory allocation is to check for all the button presses on the keyboard and mouse. Whoa. Oh, so I can't take back control. And it's still doing it, so that's not it. It's not the one. So it's not this. So if controller, what else can it be? It's in the update function. Do I get like better profiling? Can I actually see the things that are being called? So it's something that's not being called here, and then right here it's being called. So input system. Deactivate. Oh, look at that. Even here it's using 6 milliseconds of stuff. Game object, deactivate game object. Ooh, this could be it. My cloud provider messed up. So I'm switching right now. Live switching. I'm very stressed. Ooh, careful. PC only, no controller support. No, that's not the problem. It can't be. Awake active recursively. Awake active recursively. Temp parse. Isn't he? Am I so sweet? I'm not sweet today. Today I'm like, no, not in the mood today. It's the best thing about streaming is every day is a new day. And some days I'm in the mood and some days I'm not in the mood. And this is strange. Look at this, 6 milliseconds, but I don't know where those 6 milliseconds are coming from. Oh, I mean, obviously GC alloc. I'm allocating 0.7 megabytes every frame. That's crazy. Bogo, welcome in. Yeah. Welcome in, everybody. Should we start over? Should we just start over? Hey, yo. Yo, we got the demo coming in 3 days. It's crazy. Those are off the roof, right? Yeah, that's crazy. But I don't know what function's doing it. TMP parse text calls. Whatever, this editor only. Get component null error wrapper? What? What is that? Could be these like... Could be this nonsense. Text Mesh Pro, GUI on enable evoke. It's like constantly enabling and disabling something. Text Mesh Pro. Text Mesh Pro. Lots of Text Mesh Pro stuff going on. Is it because... Am I triggering any of these every frame? Let's just see. Print. If controller was pressed. Print. If keyboard was pressed. Print. If schema changed. Print. We made it here. Wait, this is definitely going to happen. So this definitely gets called every frame. Let me just hide these for a sec. And let's just check these. This is just setting something from a public variable. It shouldn't do much. Same with this one. Active device and current device style. Oh, and this one. Print. New schema detected gamepad. You did a procedural atlasing today. Ooh, that's fun. With multiple material transparencies. Off the chain hook, yeah. Microsoft are trying to upsell me while questioning my competence. Microsoft do that. Okay. I don't have any control. Nothing has control. These need to be on. These weren't updating every frame though, which is a good sign. It has to be the thing that's checking if keyboard should take back control. So none of these things are like being called every frame. So it's whatever's in the conditionals, whatever's in that if statement, you know? Doing it all for me. They even have my GST number already. Demo in 3 days, he said. Is it going to be completely public? 100% public. That's why I took away the add me to the alpha redeem. That's it. There's no more alpha. We're in beta/demo. It's more like a public alpha. I'm treating it's a demo release, but It's basically my polished alpha. Because the beta is like an almost finished game. And obviously it's not anywhere near finished. This is just the intro quests and like your startup stuff. So yeah, it's basically a public alpha. Whatever. I'm doing things my way. Let's get rid of these broadcasts. Broadcast. An amazing accomplishment nonetheless. A huge milestone. Yeah. That's pretty big. I'm a little afraid. I just saw like a streamer, a viral post by a streamer that was breaking down cozy games, like a cozy game that they played, and they were like, message to devs, don't do these things. Or it was like comparing one game to another, and I'm just like, my game sucks if you think these things. Like, you're gonna hate my game. So what am I even doing? But yeah, I think it's easy to like make a list like that and just assume it's easy. These people think it's easy. It's not easy. Especially when you're by yourself. I watched them rip apart an incredible game, an absolutely incredible game. And I'm just like, yo, if you're going to rip that apart, none of us stand a chance. I won't name names. Everyone's going to rip someone apart. It's just how it works. Those things are always way off. Anything can be made into a good design element. I think so. The thing with this game is people have to appreciate the lo-fi aspect of it. You know, it's not this polished thing. It's lo-fi. It's quirky. All right, so it's none of those. What else can I check? So in the input system. So it's got to be this controller pressed. It's got to be mouse keyboard pressed, and if it's active. Oh, what? Keyboard mouse pressed. It's got to be this. Look at this. I basically check. Hey, these are just booleans, though. These should theoretically just be like static booleans. It's all about vibes. I really don't know what we're talking about, but I got the vibe. I should say that. You do got the vibe. See, I would think this one's more expensive because I'm doing like vector comparisons. Let's try this. I'm going to get rid of this whole thing. This whole check keyboard, whatever. This gets rid of it, it'll be pretty big. I'll be able to narrow it down. Mard, you got any levels for me? Nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. I wonder if it could be like part of the plugin. Is there another view? There's like a timeline view. Player loop. 63 milliseconds. Why? Because of garbage collection. But why? Okay. So it's not, this frame isn't the problem. It's just something building up garbage. How can I see who's building up garbage? Who's building up the most garbage? Does anybody know how to do that? Code Red Games, are you kidding? How's it going? How have you been? It's been a little while. Yo, Death Dude. Shout out to Code Rad. Yeah, how's Rogue Blight doing? Are we almost done? I think you've still got some unfinished ones from last time if you want to challenge. Yeah, I'll do one in a little bit. I'll check it out. Otherwise, I have many levels. Could definitely find some for you. I need some intermediate ones. Is there, how do I tell what's building up, like, garbage collection? Code Rad, do you know? Every 2 seconds, I have this spike of garbage collection clearing memory. And it's only when I'm using the controller. You're almost demo ready? Nice. Mine's coming out. Mine's coming out in 3 days. Are we releasing our demos together? Game object deactivate. Hierarchy. What's raw hierarchy? Oh. Raw hierarchy looks a little more intense. I have no idea. I still need to look into optimization. Honestly, I will say this isn't necessarily a problem when I'm playing the Steam build, but I feel like a bad computer, you'll feel it. You'll feel it, even if you're in the build. Whoa. Game object. TM. What is this TMP parse text? Take me to the code. Game object activate. Game object activate. What? Active awake recursively. Oh, wait. So yeah, this is the memory allocation. 7 megabytes are being allocated somewhere. So, okay, these GC Alex, they're just GC Alex. That doesn't tell me what it is. It's just saying GC Alec, GC Alec. Editor only, get comp. Maybe it's this. You think it could be this? Yeah, 7 megabytes is a lot. I mean, these editor only errors sound terrible. Like, that can't be good. Should I be profiling the build? Let's see if we can profile the build. Let's do a build. Develop. And then auto connect profiler. Let's try that. Yeah, let's do a build. Mac AL 2024 08 12 V1. It's possible it's that editor error, just like going nuts. If it's editor only, maybe it's not a big deal. Yeah, my brain's a little cooked today. A lot of time outside in the sun just like messed me up. Also, I woke up super late. And by super late, it was 8:15. That's really late for me. Normally I wake up at 6. But 8:15 is and I didn't even drink last night. I had like a half glass of wine. Doesn't make any sense. There's an extra memory profiler package you can pull down for more detail on the memory allocation, I believe. Ooh, that sounds like exactly what I need. I'll try this, and then if this doesn't get me to the answer, I'll try that. Soul Retriever, what is up? How are you doing? I finally got the email today from Twitch asking me to schedule my affiliate anniversary. Got to pick a day. Just got off from work. Nice. All right. How does it connect to the profiler? Oh, it did automatically. Great. Look at that. Look at that. New game. Spike. Gonna be a big spike. Screen is black though. It's fine. Big spike. All right, whatever. Playing the cutscene now. I can't activate the controller. Don't know why. Can't. I can't quit this cutscene. Oh, because I commented all that input stuff out. And it didn't. It's totally broke. All my inputs are dead. I need to rebuild it. But I'm like, wait, selected. I have nothing selected. Nothing is selected. There we go. Total memory used. We seem fine. Let's not comment that. Let's build it again without that stuff commented out. I'm so happy my affiliate anniversary is on the perfect date, but I'm absolutely canceling all plans to celebrate it on the day. When's yours? April 1st. That's a good day. No, 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 no. I hit the build button here. Don't do it. I feel like I'm going to discover something that this is just an editor only thing. Wow, that was fast. Let's do it again. Wait, it didn't hook up. Go, play. Play. Record. There we go. Og Henendoro. Welcome in. Welcome in. How are you? We like new people here. Okay, I can cancel the cutscene now. And this looks totally fine. No, actually, There's a lot of spikes. There's a lot of spikes. That's not good. If I switch to keyboard, the spikes go away. Okay, okay, okay. What's going on here? Let's switch to controller. Boom, spike. Oh my god, look at the pause menu. All right, let's stop this. Stop recording. Let's see what the hell this stuff is. Shalware. Okay. Whoa. 468 milliseconds. Whoa, what is happening? Behavior update. Whoa. What? 468 milliseconds. 32 bytes for this. 7 KB for this. 14. Update controller input. Update controller input. It's not these. It's update controller input. Game event.trigger. Update controller input. Game event.trigger. It's that. Oh, wow. Okay, we found it. We found it. Update controller input. Why is it calling this though? Oh, wait. Oh, if the gamepad is active, it's this stupid event. Button controls detected. It's this. Okay. Okay. That's totally fine. I can fix this. Button controls detected. I can put this somewhere else. I can put this here. Controller pressed. If controller is pressed, we just do it once. We just do it once. Yo, Rosem. How's it going? Oh, we've got our culprit. Why didn't it show me that in the editor? Why wasn't it that easy? Why was this so much clearer? It even showed me the function name. What's up with that? And it was like 1,000 times worse. So here's the reason though. It's because that game event is telling like hundreds of things to do stuff every frame. And now, hopefully it doesn't break everything. Doing good. We're doing okay over here. It's fixed. Ooh, it's fixed. Okay, that was actually pretty major. Now I'm doing great. That was we just fixed a big performance issue. Let's hit record. Look at that. Look at the difference. Boom. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's crazy difference. If I switch to keyboard should be way worse. No, keyboard's the same. Wow. How much of a difference was it? We kept like bouncing off the garbage collection allocation and the garbage collection cleanup. So we were at like, every 2 seconds we were spiking, and there was a noticeable stutter. Now it's smooth as butter. First we had a noticeable stutter. Now we're as smooth as butter. Stutter butter. I'll take butter. GC allocated in a frame. I just need to make sure not like everything's not broken now. If I just spam hold, this is what happens if I spam like keyboard and button presses. It's freaking out a lot, but it actually doesn't really stutter. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it stutters. It doesn't like it if you spam it. Smooth as butter, like a criminal under stutter. Wait, never mind. Did you use a plugin to find this out or default Unity tools? This was default Unity tools. I don't understand why the build mode profiler was more verbose. Maybe because I have like deep profiling on. So when I go here, so now every frame, the player loop, it's only 81 KB. Every frame I was allocating 7 megabytes. Now it's 81 kilobytes, which that might still be high. I actually don't know. 78 kilobytes of the 81 kilobytes is from the UI. That's pretty crazy. Where's that coming from? I mean, I have a lot of UIs, like a lot of them. GC Alec, yeah. And it's from all the layout groups. Canvas update.layout. Wow, okay. All right. Hey, at least the game's not stuttering anymore. That's a big change. Wow. I don't know if it's gonna be a problem though. I don't know who was listening for that. Let's see who was listening for that that event. Button controls detected. These are, oh wait, no, these are all the things that call that. There's only one thing in the game that listens for it, and it's us. And then it sets another trigger off that is control scheme updated, which 5 things listen for. The input alert manager, the input scheme event listener, the input selection marker, the player controller itself, and the text formatter. Player controller. So it's registering the inputs. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. Every frame, this menu, every frame, this is why it was allocating so much memory. Basie. Also, Razor Z Pie, thank you for the follow. So you see these buttons down here? These buttons, every time, like I don't hot update them. I deconstruct them and I rebuild them from scratch when they need to be rebuilt. So basically, this was being rebuilt every frame, and that was the problem. Problem solved. Basie, how you doing? I mean, it's nice to fix bugs. It's annoying when like you created the bug. And it feels so good to fix it, but it's like maybe if I just didn't make the bug in the first place, I'd actually be better off. Are there any game jam challenges where everyone gets the same extremely buggy project and it's like a race to fix it? Okay. All right, that felt good. All right. What's next? Yeah, just fix the bug before it's a bug. But then you don't get the excitement of fixing it. Doing okay. If you hadn't made that bug, you wouldn't have had this opportunity to fix it. Missed opportunities are bad. Ergo, you did the right thing by screwing up. Kiwi logic. Exactly. Let's make one then. I have some updated intermediate levels, hopefully. Mr. Marge, we're ready. I'm ready. Drop that link. Yes. We're gonna play Mr. Mard's game for a hot second. Solve some puzzles. Sometimes it's nice to. I know there's a solution. Wait, did this save my progress? I did this. I did this puzzle. Or is this the one I got stuck on? No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yon. I did do this one. I remember doing this one. Oh wait, this one has to be it. Because it's the only way. Has to be it. I think it has to be like this one. It can't be this one. It can't be that one because oh, maybe it can be. I don't know. No. Why? Why is it up? Oh, it's upset because of that. Now why is it upset? Huh? What's it upset about? Oh, this one. But it has to be these two. Ooh, this is weird. There we go. Oh my god. But it's funny because I definitely did this one already. I didn't do this one. One, two, three. One, two. One, one, two. Yes. I'll do one more. This looks like a fun puzzle. Yeah, Hyper Helen. This is super fun. This is Mr. Mard's game. I love it. Oh, actually, could be this. No, it can't be that. Has to be. Has to be. Can't. 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 Okay. Can't. 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 I mean, I feel like it could be any of these. Ooh. What? Oh, it's upset about these. Ooh, okay. Okay. We're learning. We're learning. So it has to be... It has to be something up here. Hmm. Oh, and I didn't put anything there. Ooh, this is complicated. Actually, you know what's funny? I never realized once they have like the smiley face that they're all fixed, I don't know which ones, like what their original state is. Is there a way to know? These levels are authored by Otto Janko. He has a whole blog with these kinds of puzzles. Gotta feed the kids. Breakfast. Has to be up there. Oh, wait. No. No. Now what? No. I can't figure this one out. It has to be this. Wow. I think you got me, Mard. How do you feel about the inclusion of an undo button? Um, I don't know. I would like to just refresh the whole scene instead of doing this. So 100%, 100%. Definitely not. Yes, yes. 100%, 100% has to be that, right? Because this, no, it has to be that. Yeah, 100% has to be that. And then that's where things get tricky. So I just started clicking randomly at this point, and I got to a place. Not to a good place, though. Oh, yeah, this can't be this. This can't be this, right? That means this has to 100% be this. That means this and this 100%. That means this can still be anything. One of these has to be it, right? One of these has to be it. What if I do this? And this, and this, and this, this. No, damn. I guess you would want an undo button if you're in the situation I'm in where I know like this state is 100% accurate. It has to be, right? But after that, I do want to keep coming back to this safely. So it has to be one of these two. It's the only way to light this guy up. And if I make it this, then I could do that. And that. And that and that and that. And that. No. Because one of these, it has to be one of these or this one. But it can't be this one. I've already established that this is 100%. So one of these has to be lit up. Which means the only way to light these two is if Something in this row and something in this row need to be lit up. Like this one and this one and that. Let's just assume that one. Was this 100%? I don't remember if that one was 100%. See, now I don't know. Oh yeah, so the only way to light one of these up. This one I chose at random. So it doesn't have to be that one. It could be this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Nah. All right. I give up. I give up, Mard. You bested me again. Okay. Thank you, Mard. Good game indeed. Otsukare-sama deshita. Otsukare. Sama deshita. Oh, right. Otsukare-sama deshita. Isn't that like a cheers? Otsukare-sama deshita. Isn't that what you do when you cheers? Like, good day of work? Maripon, how are you doing? Do desu ka? You can use it there too. I hear it a lot. I hear it a lot. Like you get in a cab. Otsukare-sama deshita. It's when you finish doing something. Okay. I see. Maripon, Mr. Mard's also studying Japanese. All right. Well, do I have bugs on my list I need to fix? I don't even know. Capturing the bear doesn't set off cutscene. Oh, I fixed that. Tooltips for NPC description panel. I do need that. Compass looks weird on 69. I fixed that. Young pines still have the old pine material. Okay. Oh, and cooking sound effects is too loud. Jimmy's question mark doesn't go away. And the quest indicator for Melissa's diner is correct, but doesn't update when the things happen. Okay. There are bugs I gotta fix. I forgot about this stuff. Canada. Kyushu. Let's start with the easy one. Young pine tree. Grow pine. So this is the pine tree, right? And the problem is stage 1. Wet. The wet look. Tree. Pine tree mid. Weather effects. Summer rain. Did I get rid of weather effects on the tree? Yeah, I got rid of them. Except for snow. Okay. I still have snow effects. So I'm going to get rid of rain effects. No more wet trees. No more wet trees. Goodbye. Goodbye. No more wet trees. No more wet trees. No more wet trees. Oh wait, I want to push those changes. Apply value to prefab. Apply value to prefab. Apply value to prefab. And finally, today I learned where Kyushu is. There are only 4 islands of Japan: Hokkaido, Okinawa, and Onagashima. Wait, what? Just kidding. Onigashima is from Momotaro. What is that? Is that a show? Is that an anime? Is that an animation? It's a children's story. Oh. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Pine tree, pine tree. I think I moved it and I gotta move it back. Did I? No, I didn't move it back. Okay. Maple. I gotta get rid of all the wet. Rainlight Dev. Hey, how's it going? Mondays, it's better now. It's way better now. I was so cranky when I started to stream. I'm sorry, everyone. I get cranky sometimes. You ever get just cranky? Wait, these don't even have weather effects. Pine tree. Pine tree has weather events. This I turned off. I still need weather events. I just don't need rain. Still need the snow. Fall clear. Oh wait, no, go back, go back, go back. Today was cranky for me too. I hope you can get over it like I did. So I don't want rain anymore. I just want orange. Cheer you up. Fixing that bug cheered me up. Tree leaf snow. Perfect. Okay. So now I got rid of the wet here. Wow. Where is it? Select. The maple tree doesn't even have a weather effect listener. Why? Hesty, Arcadia, Arcady. Name butchered. Welcome in. How are you? Uh, bake, bacon pancake. Bacon pancake. By the way, the advice with the event tool was so helpful. I had a pretty ugly quest condition handler, and now it's based on this event system, so much cleaner. Sick. That makes me happy. I've been telling people about the More Mountains event listener, no matter where I go. You're the first person to say they tried it. That makes me happy. The birch tree doesn't have, wait, the birch tree doesn't have a weather event listener either. Proceed. Birch. I guess that's not important for the demo. The rain was, I had to get rid of the rain. Okay. That one's fixed. Young pines. So the cooking sound effect is way too loud, and it was temporary, and I gotta get rid of it. Jesus. Cooking system. The sound effect that I use when a successful meal gets cooked. It's terrible. half my game is based around more mountain stuff at this point. I slapped together so many systems over the years only to realize that the one feel package I bought 2 years ago for 20 euro had a better version of 90% of them. Yeah, it happens. Sometimes a really good package comes along and just like makes all your own stuff obsolete. It feels so good. Yeah, I can't use feel though. I tried implementing it and it just broke stuff. I gotta add my own juice. Cooking manager? Cooking manager. Where do I even play that sound effect? I don't even know. I never bought code for my code. It seems like a weird concept. Freedom DAO, welcome in. You know, a lot of people have that. A lot of people have that perspective. I think both perspectives are valid. I wouldn't be afraid of using code though. I understand, like, if you didn't write it, it can break, and then you won't know how to fix it. I totally get that. But it's a little, you know, if you're working on something and a plugin will save you hundreds of hours, and it only costs $20 or 20 euro, whatever, you have to consider it. You have, like, if the goal is the end line, if the goal is the finished product, then to not consider paid assets like part of your workflow, then you're only hurting yourself. Turgis, are you kidding me? Turgis, what is up? Shout out to Turg. How are you doing? Sammer, Mel, welcome in. Chris Tees. A butt tube. How's it going? Oh, you have to license everything to GPL2, so just not allowed. Yeah, that makes things complicated. Joke's on you if I write code myself. Wait, what? Double raid by the same person, Turgis. What's going on? Hey, everybody. Welcome in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I work on a game called Alpine Lake. Turgis, there you are. How are you doing? Shout out to Turgis. Llama with an AK. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. What were you playing today? Oh, you got ads. Love that name. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. That's weird that you got. Oh yeah, you came in right at the ad break. You know, you go out of your way to add more ads so that there's no pre-roll, and then stuff like this happens where people raid in right in the middle of an ad break. It's so stupid. I'm gonna wait for the ad break to be over, and then 25 seconds. All right, I'm gonna find the sound effect that's way too loud and not doing the right thing. Where are you from? I still try to put each accent to an area. My accent is, I guess, I'm from Long Island. I'm from Long Island, New York. I was born in Brooklyn. Lived in Long Island for my formidable years. I moved back into the city, New York City, for 15 years, and then now I live in Tokyo now. But obviously, this isn't a Tokyo accent. Oh, the ads are over. Turgis, how is your stream? What did you play today? What did you get up to? Welcome in. I don't have advertisement at the moment, so I can ask. Oh, nice, lucky. Oh, your name is the same forward and backwards. That's fun. East Coast. Hello from Germany. Hello. Welcome in. There's a few people from Germany here right now. Tokyo, not East Coast now. No classic Brooklyn, no New York accent there. Nah, I mean it comes out. It definitely comes out when I get a little drinky in me. Or so my brother came to visit 3 weeks ago, and when I'm around him, it comes out a little more. You just kind of divert back to who you were with family, close family. At Cunchy, welcome in. Jay Spites, hello, welcome. How come you ended up in Tokyo? I mean, it must be amazing. How come I moved there? I moved here because I felt like it. My wife and I were just like sick of the U.S. We just wanted to move. We weren't sick of the U.S., but we wanted to like live abroad. You know, life experience. And this is the coolest place we've ever been, so we decided here. Playing some Abduction. It's a puzzle game from the makers of Myst. Oh, that's cool. I remember being a kid and trying to play Myst and not getting... I would just explore the first area and never finish. I don't think I solved a single puzzle in Myst as a kid. I was, I don't know, when was I when it came out? Like, I must have been 12. Couldn't solve a single... I probably still couldn't solve a single puzzle. Good to know I'm not the only one melting away at 9:41 a.m. What do you mean melting away? Oh, is it hot there right now? Is the demo going to be on Steam or somewhere else? It's going to be on Steam. Give it a wish list, why don't ya? I'm going to hit that email everybody button on Thursday or Friday. I guess it's my Friday, but everyone else's Thursday. I'm going to do it my Friday morning. Or should I do it Thursday night? I don't know. It'll come out on the 15th for someone. I actually don't have an exact time yet. Guten Tag. Exactly. Melting with you big time. It's already so damn hot. Yeah. Making sure Alpine Lake has the same success in Germany like everywhere else. That would be nice. Actually, I look at my my wish list numbers, and it's U.S., Japan, and China. Like those are the top. Those are the top three. Your accent isn't particularly heavy, though. I mean, I try really hard not to have one. It took many years to, because I'm one of those people that just doesn't like where they're from. I don't like Long Island. I never want to live there ever again. I mean, it was fun for a bit, and then as an adult, it was just not a good place to live. I didn't like it. So the rebellion in me is just like, shed the accent. Get it out of there. I have that effect on my brother. Nice. We ran into a major bug and it required that I get into the hex code to change a 1 to a 0 and reset something in the game. That sounds really intense. How is the remake? Is it like... Or no, sorry, not the remake. This is the same game. This is a game from the people that made Myst. Okay. Is it like full 3D? Do you have any clips you can send me? I'll just pull up your VOD. My boy. It's my boy Vin. His family. I'm a huge Vin Diesel fan. Oh, wow. So it's like pixel textured. Oh, it's like, yeah, it's like voxel style. Interesting. I wouldn't have expected this. I just went out to water the herbs, and my God, the heat. Oh man, what is it? What is it with where you are? It's like 40 degrees Celsius here right now. I've lived in Arizona for 37 years and in Massachusetts for 3 as a baby, and I get a Massachusetts accent when tired or around anyone with the accent. Wow. That's bizarre. That's like some embedded stuff right there. That's like deep. Tokyo is wild. I love Japanese food and the politeness of the people, but I think it's hard to adjust and fit in for foreigners. How is my experience? It's totally fine. There's like occasionally you notice like, oh, why did they just say that to me, or why did they just do that to me? That seems weird. Or like, oh wait, you're full, even though I see three empty tables and it's like 8 p.m. You're closed, really? Like stuff like that. But I'd say 99% of the time, it's totally fine. Pre YouTube, like me, Turgus definitely broke the game. Nice. Wait, this is weird. So wait, is this the same game? No, this is a different game. Okay. This is what I would have expected the creators of Myst to create. The voxel thing was a surprising style. Oh, I'm so far behind on chat. Sorry. Let me catch up. I've already wishlisted on Steam. Nice, thank you. Put the laundry outside, melted away instantly. Y'all saw an interview and they suspect that 95% of the people who purchased Myst never got off the first island. Yeah. I didn't solve the first puzzle. Top selling game for a long time. It's because it looks so pretty. I'm from Austria. Tyrol, to be more specific. Welcome in. Oh, lullaby. You've been here. You've been here. The heat has been bad after sunset. Still 93. Yeah, same here. It doesn't cool off at night. 93 at night. Yeah, it's so rough. It's so rough. I think they're a top 10 selling game for 10 years. Wow. Sticky by my standards. Yeah, it's real sticky. There's more than one island. Yeah. Full 3D and has VR support. Oh, that's cool. That's cool for the VR fans. Might have the clip of the cart breaking up. Oh man, I'm really far behind. I went there this year. We did a road trip in Italy and went through Austria on our way back to Germany. Tyrol is awesome, and we stopped by in Salzburg. I'm so in love with the city. It was so amazing. Come back in autumn. It's lovely. Oh, nice. That sounds like a nice little trip. This is the other game. Okay, yeah, I'm so far behind. Catching up. That's the Shadow of Doubt. We played that for a little while. Game was broken. Man, you played a lot of broken games. That's the other game after you broke the first one. Look at the one called something like What Happened. There we go. Okay. This is abduction. Okay. 40C. Holy, I guess you have AC, right? Yeah, we have AC. Glad to hear you enjoyed your stay. My only tip would be to make sure you travel through Austria at unconventional times, weekdays, because our highways are a huge bottleneck. Yeah, that sounds terrible. 45 here a few times this summer, but I have AC. 45, yeah. Yeah, you live in the hot, like one of the hottest places in the world. AC in Germany is not common. We melt in our apartments. Oof, that's rough. The Mist walkthrough. These days, any game has spoilers on YouTube by 12 hours after release. Yeah, I'm really annoyed that my Instagram blew up with the Wolverine spoiler, like the cameo spoiler. I was like, what? Come on, it's only been like a week. Give me a break. Also, sitting in Germany, we have one of those mobile AC things when it gets hot. Yeah, that's vital. What is Mott? On the way to Italy, we traveled through Switzerland. You have to buy the yearly ticket. We used the Autobahn for like 1.5 hours. Horrible. Why is it horrible? It sounds so fun. Austria is more tourist friendly. Not gonna lie, you're the first person ever in my life to say Austria is tourist friendly in regards of traveling. Literally the main world of abduction. Oh boy. I'm all caught up. I was stuck in this area for way too long. Right, I'm gonna skip around. I want to just see it. Just want to get a feel for it. Yeah, I can't play these games. They're too complicated for me. I like the look though. Like there's big set pieces and interesting animations, and I do like this kind of game. It looks fun to make actually. Very cool. Well, thanks for the raid, Turgus. Did everyone follow Turgus? Wait, jump to where you see red rocks. Oh no, I closed it already. It's gone. Mod is like a fee you have to pay when using the highways. You get a ticket when you enter. Oh, okay. I'm familiar with that concept. All right, when you came in, I was trying to hunt down a sound effect that was way too loud. There's like one sound effect that does not respect the settings, and I don't remember where it is. It's I think it's on the frying pan itself. So if I go to like decor stove. Oh, I didn't even play the trailer to Alpine Lake. I mean, yeah, whatever. No trailer. You don't get a trailer. Fine, I'll play the trailer. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. This is what I'm working on. It's called Alpine Lake. You run it in. It's kind of like Stardew Valley. Kind of like the Sims, a little bit Sims aspect. And the demo comes out in 3 whole days. You decorate. You can even put flowers in vases. Light campfires. Farm. We'd love to come back. Maybe you can give us some insights. What's worth visiting and not so touristy. Some areas or places. Yeah, where are the places to go? Let us know. Most of the game had a Wild West ghost town vibe with red rocks like Sedona. Ooh, that sounds cool. That was an alien world that was very gray and full of machines. Yeah, the Sedona's gorgeous. I've been there. Really pretty. We traveled 3,000 miles through Italy, stayed in small towns, not the tourist routes. It was so lovely. We went on the west coast till Naples, back on the east coast, 7 hotels, lots of villages, and meeting locals. It was the most amazing thing I've ever planned for the holidays. That sounds awesome. I spent my honeymoon in Italy. Went to Rome, the Amalfi Coast, a little bit of Naples. That was really nice. I liked my time in Italy. We rented a car too. It was my first time driving in Europe. No, I drove in Spain before that. For Sharma. I'm just butchering all the names today. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Has Alpine Lake got a story mode, or is it free build kind of deal? Sandbox. It's narrative based. It's like Stardew where there is story happening around you, and people send you letters, and you go talk to NPCs. There's this story there. The demo doesn't really get into the story too much. The demo is like a taste. But there will be a greater story for the full release game. We missed Rome because I felt sick this day. Oh no. Hopefully next year, yeah. I can only speak from my area here in Tyrol, but a lake nearby has some really chill vibes to it called Bergelsteiner. 20-minute hike to a beautiful scenery. Seefeld is also a nice place to go for a walk, though a bit off of Innsbruck. For Innsbruck itself, the Altstadt has some nice cafes and restaurants, both traditional and vegan. Burgers. Kitchen Hub is my go-to. Sorry for spamming your chat. Lolboy, you're good. You're good. This is what chat's for. I will copy that message. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah. Thanks for the recos. So where the hell is the sound effect being played? I have no idea. I have no actual idea. I have a cooking inventory. This doesn't play sound effects though. I have a cooking system on the player. If I go to cooking, player systems, secondary, primary, Huh? Huh? What? What if I... Wait, is it here? Managers and systems? Cooking. Where you at? What? Cooking. Cooking manager. Oh, there it is. It's not here. Is it? Does the UI do it? If the UI does it, that's probably not smart. Where's my cooking? Cooking canvas. Cooking recipe. Cooking tabs. Cooking canvas group. It's this. Okay. Play on open, play on close. Nothing. Where's the cook button? Where's that big old cook button? There it is. Cook button. Atram, good morning. Targus, thank you for saying that. Cook from inventory. Here's the button. Cook from inventory. Let's just follow the breadcrumb trail. So it's a singleton call, which is pretty dirty. I don't normally do that. I swear I don't normally do that. This does not play any sound effects. Strange. Try cook. I have a try cook button. What is try cook? If I have the inventory space, where? Sound. Clip? I don't play the sound effects in this action. I don't play them here either. This is bizarre. I don't know how this works. I don't know where the sound effect is coming from. Maybe it's only in the hot plate. Hot plate. Hot plate. Decor hot plate. Frying pan. Spawn food transform. That's the collider. That's the frying pan itself. There's no audio players here. What is going on? I don't even know where the sound effect is to like click on it and say, tell me all the reference locations. Normally I'm not big into the farm sim games, but I like the look of this. Tuba might have played every farm sim on the market. Nice. Mel, thank you for the follow. I don't know how this works. Sounds much like me. I mean, you know that you did all this, but at the same time you don't. I know it. So the cooking system I made 2.5 years ago. This is 2.5-year-old code that I haven't looked at since. It worked, and I moved on, and I haven't gone back in 2.5 years. That in itself is kind of impressive, but now it's a problem. I don't know where this sound effect is coming from. How do I find it? Let's... Inedible food. So the cooking manager... Let's go back to the UI. It's got to be the UI. I don't trust this UI. Inventory display. No, it's not that. Cook button and brew button. This is the only thing that happens when it clicks. GUI controller. Cooking menu manager. This is just a bunch of tabs. I don't trust you. Maybe it is the transaction manager. Maybe it is. Transaction manager. No, there's no audio. No audio here. let's keep digging into the cooking manager. So when we click that action cook button, cook from current cookable inventory. Cook from current cookable inventory. We update the current cooking inventory, which all that does is set a variable. We check to see if that inventory is empty. If it's not, we cycle through every recipe and see if the recipe can be made. If it can be, we try cook. Okay? When we try cook, we check to see if we have an inventory space to put the item. Then we remove the items and we add the completed recipe. Crafting event, trigger, cooking complete. Ooh, let's follow this. Let's follow this event. It gets listened to from the frying pan controller, which spawns a particle effect, and the particle effect has an explosion sound effect. We did it. We did it. Okay, I know where it is. I'm going to take a 2-second break. I'm going to get some more water. And, Aaron! Also, hi. Aaron, I'll be right back. Everyone, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, we're back. No, don't play the trailer. Don't play the trailer. Yo, how you doing, Aaron? Shout out to Aaron. How's you doing? How's the demo feeling? Feels okay. Feels okay. I'm dropping the ball on a lot of places. I never contacted the content creators I I asked for their information. You know, a lot of content creators responded to a tweet and I never emailed them. I never gave them keys, but I just didn't have time and the game wasn't ready yet. So it's just whatever. Another thing is I never shot a new trailer. Here I am, 3 days out. I never even shot footage yet. So I don't think I'm going to get that done. Did you find the sound? Yeah, I did. I did. It's this stupid particle effect. I'm going to fix it. Decor stove. So when you successfully cook something, the frying pan controller spawns gas explosion fire particle effect. And this particular particle effect comes with a sound effect, which is this. Can I play it? And that's really intense. Also, where are these even from? Epic Tune Effects. Maybe there's a better one in here. No. No. Should this be the sound effect every time something gets cooked? Nah. I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to get rid of it. So remove. Done. No more sound effect on successful cook. But I should have something. I definitely should have something. They actually approached you. That's huge success. For our one game, we reached out to, I don't know, 50 content creators and only 2 answered. I didn't reach out to anyone. I got really lucky. I put a tweet out that was like, hey, content creators, I got a game. You want to play my game? And everyone was very kind and retweeted it a bunch, and it got some traction. And I got a list of like 100 content creators, all who commented were like, I want a key, I want a key, I want to play, I want to play. I'm interested. So I wrote down all their emails, and I was planning on emailing them all a key, but I mean, the demo's free, and I don't mind like giving a key for the main game when it comes out. I just don't have like I don't have the bandwidth to email them beforehand. And I tried to look into those services like LurkKit. That's $1,000 a year to use this website that just hands out keys for you and allows content creators to find you. I guess it's worth it if you're a studio. I can't afford that. $1,000 a year just to facilitate, I don't know, content creation. I mean, it's a big deal. It's a huge deal, but LurkKit. And that's like their indie special. That's like their indie special license. And they were like, well, if that's too much, how about you just do it monthly? I'm like, all right, so it's $60 a month and I can just use it for a couple of months and then drop it. It's kind of better, but I just rather not. I just don't have the bandwidth to do that either. It sounds like a whole job. You had a meeting with them before? Yeah, they wanted to set up a meeting to like show me around. Like, this is what we offer. I got too much to do. You tried them. How did it work out? Was it worth it? You met them in person. That's cool. Like, their service looks cool. It's a way for you to just like post and let content creators come to you. It's great. Doesn't get much better than that. But it's just expensive, and yeah, I don't have the time to like put that stuff together. All right, so we fixed that. I don't have a sound effect now, so I probably should. Let's make a sound effect, and it shouldn't be on the particle effect. That's not where I want sound effects. I want it to be on the I want it to be on the cooking manager. What is nice, you can set up an auto key rules, so if they have X viewers, they could just get a key. If there are less, they can request one. Same for YouTube. I mean, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Action cook, cooking manager. So action cook. Cook from cookable inventory. I just want it to be here. The second we succeed. If success is... Oh. Oh, this is cool. I can do a sound effect for making good food and a sound effect for making terrible food. So a 0 is a fail, a 1 is a success, and a 2 is no inventory space. Oh, cool. So I can have all right, this is better. I can have a fail, like a dubious food sound effect and a successful food sound effect. Cool. I like this. Public clip. Nope. Audio clip. Cooking failed clip. Public audio clip. Cooking success. Succeeded? Clip, whatever. Don't know. We lucked out, and Splattercat Gaming covered our game. That's big. That's a really big content creator, right? Don't know how he found our game though. That's awesome. So I need to sfx event.trigger none failed. Success. Whoop. Success clip. Okay. So now let's find some failure and success sounds. What are the Zelda sounds? What are the Zelda sounds? Zelda cooking. What is it? Tears of the King. Tears of the Kingdom. Cooking. Videos. No. I'm not gonna, this isn't gonna be, I'm not gonna be able to hear the sound effect. It's just this guy's voice. No, not what I want. Okay. Oh, there's a song. It's the that's cool. And then what? There's a failed sound effect. Cooking failed sound effect. That's amazing. Okay. I just need to be 5% as good as that. Let me go into my sound effect pack. Actually, wait. First, I have custom sound effects from a friend. The same person who made the music. Let's just see how those are. Ideas? No. Sound effects? No. Gameplay? No. Music? Not any of these. Plates breaking. Yeah, it's such a good. That's so good. And then like the boing. Sounds like one of those door, like those rubber door things that you can flick. I'm silent for a while now because I met an Austrian person in your chat of an American living in Tokyo. Having Austrian people in the community, Twitch is crazy but great the same way. Yeah, this is why Twitch is amazing. It's like a global coming together of people, and it actually makes you realize like everyone's the same. We're all the same. Where are these sound effects? Audio? Are they just straight up in here? I thought they were in air gauge. Is it these? It's these. It's really low. Also, it's mixing with the. Stop it. It's mixing with the Zelda music. I use this one, and I love it. Yeah, none of them are right. None of them are right. That's okay though. I need to get more of these. Let's look at my sound effects pack that I got. Let's find something in there. Audio. No, it's in packs. Sound effects. Interface and item sounds. Gotta be something in here. Oh, maybe a Kenny asset. Kenny might have some Interesting stuff. Kenny RPG maybe. The audio. Creeks cloth. No, it's like equipping stuff. Kenny UI audio. Clicks and switches. Nah. No, we need like successes and failures. I like the piano. I could see the fail sounds like a cat jumping on the keys. Yeah, but that's exactly what it should be. These are nice. Oh, I like that one. Blah. All right, these are cool. These are cool. All right, so this is the winner for now. Let me hook up the winner for now. Special 6. And I'll try and find a better one. Clicks. Futuristic. Nope. Mouth. Nope. 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 Items and collectibles. Uh, I should use this for when you eat something. Infinite. How's it going? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. And sorry for the ads. I mean, that one's fun. That's a little too intense. I used that one already. They were a little too like mobile game like level complete. That I use. Okay. Misk. That's intense. That was a lot here. There we go. There's failure. Which one though? Oh, I just want to do all of them. I'll just do the one for now. It's 2. Actually, I kind of like that. I mean, that's kind of what the Zelda one is too. It's that boing. In my experience, it usually sounds more like a beep 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 beep, which like a failure, a cooking failure. Also, Meowletary, how's it going? Virtuose, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. You lose. Imagine if that sound effect played every time you finish cooking something. Like that 6 second sound effects. It's actually the first time I turned my new oven and set off the fire alarm while empty, and I'm not sure what to do about it. I think that's normal, actually. Aren't you supposed to, when the first time you get a brand new oven, aren't you supposed to crank it to like 500 degrees and cook it for like an hour just to burn off all the chemicals that are in there? I think it's normal for it to smoke. It's not new, just new to me. Oh, okay. That sounds bad then. That sounds like it needs to be cleaned. Might be because there's no kitchen door installed anymore. Oh, you mean like so the smoke was just leaving your kitchen now? There's no more door? Still, it shouldn't be smoking like that. I don't know. It might not get better than what I got already. Ooh, maybe these. I kind of like that. Two nerdy nerds. 3 more days. Yeah, right? I kind of like this one. 42. So special and power up 42 in V3. And what I'm using currently is special 6. Yeah, I like this one better. I like this one better. Okay, let's go with this one. Nope. Ooh. Okay, I really like that one. Really like that one. It's cute. All right, we're done here. Let's make sure it works. Stove. I'll throw a stove into the scene. And I'll throw some eggs. Egg. All right, I think I can just... Yeah, whatever. Egg. Consumable egg. Let's turn the music back on. So what happens if I cook... Oh, right. If I try and cook something that I don't have the recipe for, like if I just cook lettuce, if I just straight up cook lettuce, that should give me dubious food. So that should be a failure. All right, let's see if that works. Two nerdy nerds. So two nerdy nerds and I are both participating in the same Wholesome Games Steam Fest coming up, which is very cool. Give two nerdy nerds a follow. Turgus, thank you for the lurk, and thank you so much for that raid. That's so nice. All right, you ready? Let's not mute the audio. Turn the sound effects way up. I'll turn the music down. Stop Zelda for a sec. Cook some lettuce. Oh, snap. Adam. Adam, thank you for the raid. Welcome in, raiders. I just shouted someone out, so it's gonna have to wait a second, but you all know how to see Eunice already, I'm sure. Welcome in, raiders. Adam, how was the rest of your stream? Falling up. Welcome in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. Working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. I'll play the trailer. I got 3 days until my demo comes out. Holy crap! It's a cozy life sim. Waffy is. Thank you for the hydrate. It's a cozy life sim where you run an inn. It's a little like Stardew. It's a little like The Sims. I gotta wait 9 seconds. Proton Fig! Proton, I'm doing good. I'm doing alright. We're getting through this. This whole process. Slowly but surely. There it is. Everyone, make sure to click that follow button. Do yourself the favor. Adam C. Eunice, expert master indie game developer, musician, programmer, pixel artist, animator. Holy crap. Everything. Working on Insignia. Really good looking game. McFiston. Thank you for the follow. Hey Key. Hey Key, thank you for the follow. Waffy. Thank you all for the follows. Welcome in, everybody. So I was just adding some sound effects to when you cook in the game. Oh my god. Visitor guy, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. One more. There it is. Cab Skibs. Welcome in, everybody. Hey Key, hi, great looking work. Thank you, appreciate it. We're doing our best here. We're doing our absolute best. All right, I made an inedible mess, which you technically can eat. And let's see what happens when I cook an egg. Boom, I like that sound effect. All right, we're good. We're good. What if I put 2 eggs in? Oh, wow, that actually worked. Wait. So, oh my god. Okay, so if you cook something really fast, and then it tries to cook a fried egg, like if you try and cook the fried egg that you just made, it makes a mess. So you can't recook food. That's a weird thing. K-Skag, thank you for the follow. Hello. That's a weird issue, right? Should I not allow you to cook food? Or should I try and put this stuff directly in your inventory now instead of like keeping it in the cooking inventory? That's a weird one. I worked out my first remix of my own tune. It's still work in progress, but sounds pretty good already. Nice, Proton. How do you make your music? All right, so let me just get some more ingredients here. A Google Drive link. That's a scary link, but I do trust you. I'm assuming you have all the rights to play this music and to make it. That's cool. A little Tron. could have a secondary inventory in the cooking display, which the cook stuff goes into. That's, yeah, that's true. I should just throw it in the main inventory. Like, why don't I do that? I forget. Proton, this is cool. What software to use? I like this. If I cook lettuce, makes a mess. And I could just keep cooking the same mess into more messes. That's a nice emote. Oh, that's an awesome emote, two nerdy nerds. This is done with Reaper and Dune 3. Mess souffle. Johnny Kiv, what is up? Is this everything like everything always combines to be a mess? So you know what? Maybe meals can't be cooked. Maybe I skip meals. How's it going? It's going well. We're listening to a song by Proton Fig, fixing some bugs, discovering some logic issues with my cooking system. What do I do here? This is interesting. I could ignore meals. When a meal is in the inventory, it's ignored. I'm going to do that because a meal is like the final form of food, right? The final form. So let's just ignore meals. Can you make it so meals go straight into the inventory and you can't place them in a pot? Yeah, I can. I can. That's the better thing to do. All right, I'll do that. I'll do that. So meals, when cooked. So cooking inventory, add item, inedible food. I don't want to do that anymore. I want to put it in the main inventory. Main inventory. Can you make raw toast? That's you don't want to eat raw toast. That's dangerous. You'll get sick. Oh wait, no. Wait, cooking inventory, empty the inventory, and then add it to main inventory. Okay, so that happens, but what about this one? Try cook recipe. Cooking inventory, remove the item. Cooking inventory, add item. Oh, that's funny. I check the main inventory for inventory space. And only if we have inventory space do I make the foods. I'm actually checking the wrong inventory anyway. All right, so now it's going into the right place. Proton, thanks for sharing that. That was really cool. Also, Doze8U, welcome in. Sani Sensei, greetings. Sani Sensei. Yokoso. Let's put the Zelda music back on. But yeah, welcome everybody. What a big raid. Much appreciated. If you haven't already, if you'd be so kind as to give Alpine Lake a wish list, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, it's a little dark in here. There we go. So now it does go into the main inventory. So I think we're okay. Where do I return 0? Wait, return 2, return 1. Oh, 0 is something else. Can you... This message was held back for aggression. Johnny Kiv, can you burn? Can you burn? Can you burn the food when cooking it? You can't. But if you try and make food that's not a recipe, it becomes an inedible mess. So if you leave food on the frying pan, too many nerds. Thank you for that big emote. That's great. Yeah, so you can like throw food in the pot and you can see it here. It just like sits in the pan and cooks. Doesn't do anything. But when you cook, now it goes. Yeah, so now it goes into your inventory. This is cool. Also, it's really stupid that I'm frozen in this running animation. I need to like eventually add, you know, some kind of cool animations where you grab the pan and like just like shake the ingredients or something. Never been auto modded before. Well, this is the first time for everything. Cool. All right, I like this. Those are good changes. Those are really good changes. Cooking sound effect too loud. Done. Jimmy's exclamation mark doesn't go away. Why not? Strike one. Cooking in the rain with Breath of the Wild music on. Was it raining? Does the rain pause when I... No, the rain doesn't pause. No, it was raining. I like that sound effect. It's a good one. Vibes going hard. Yeah, we're vibing hard in here. Hardcore vibing. All right, what is next? What did I just say? I just said something. Jimmy's exclamation mark. Let's fix Jimmy's exclamation mark. So farmer's market. Tenshi Voodoo. This looks like fun. I'm a 3D modeler myself and always wanted to get into indie projects, game design, but I have zero coding ability. Tenshi, thank you for the follow and welcome in. That's cool. You can totally make games without coding. You can do that. You can use visual scripting or you can just learn to program. There you go. I'm actually, I'm a 3D modeler as well. My background is in 3D art. My day job is actually in 3D art, in advertising. I don't even do games for a living. This is totally passion side project kind of stuff. You can do it, I promise. Just I don't know. Do you want to learn that? Oh wait, you just said you want to get into indie projects. Yeah. Just do some tutorials, see if you like it. And if not, you know what you can do? Oh my god, I know what you can do. Tenshi, I know what you can do. You can join game jams. You can join game jams on teams, and you can be the 3D artist. That's a way. I need a shout out for the game dev field guide. It's like it's a great place for beginners to go, and you can meet people there and join other people's game jam teams. There's a monthly game jam. Team up, that's always an option. Yeah, hells yeah. Go Unreal, go Blueprint. You can totally, yeah, you could do that. Visual scripting. Unreal has blueprints. Unity has Bolt. GDFG for life. Share your art station. I don't have an art station. I know you were asking Tenshi to share their art station. I don't have an art station. Do I need an art station? No, definitely not. I'm too old for an art station. I got a strong urge to learn Blender while watching game dev streams. Do it. There's not one single thing in the world stopping you. Can I get a link? Yeah. Uh, actually, computer, you usually have the link to the Discord way more handy than me. I should just put a thing. GDFG. Oh God, do not Google GDFG. Game Dev Field Guide. GameDevFieldGuide.com. Go there. There it is. I'm gonna make a Nightbot thing for that. It's a great podcast to listen to. So the Zachavelli, the runner of that community, does a podcast, and there he hosts game jams every month. Yo, odd, booyah pop. No, we just got a fat Adam C. Eunice raid, a chunky raid. Odd, how you doing? I'm making a Nightbot command. Oh, I'm so bad at these. Pseudo hacks. Go on real blueprints to start. Don't get discouraged by the fact that it's not real code. I think blueprints is real code, and it's really hard. Like, not that it's hard to learn. It's just it's totally you learn all the programming concepts when you do blueprints. You just don't have to type anything. What's important is getting the feel and getting intuition, how the fundamentals work and how things work together. Good luck. Yeah. What do you got left before the demo release? I have a few little straggler bugs, and I mean the big thing that I'm totally procrastinating on is shooting a new trailer, because my old trailer has old assets all over the place, old animations, old character models, old terrain. Everything is so much better looking right now, and I'm not showing it off properly, and I'm just not shooting the trailer. I don't know. I just can't do it for some reason. It was really hard to do the first time. I had to muster up so much motivation and energy, and I just can't bring myself to do it again, because I knew what it took. So it's really hard for me to do it again. Zach also has a whole new game dev show starting up this Thursday. Oh shit, it's this Thursday. That's cool. I'm gonna miss it. I'll have to watch the VOD. UE Blueprints has some steep learning curve. I found Unity much easier to step into. I mean, I technically agree. Not everyone would agree with that, but I do think Unity is easier to learn. Blueprints are real code. Yeah. Canadian corn dog. How's it going? Just 11 times slower than C++. You can convert a blueprint in C++. Excuse me. New trailer. Yeah, it's not. I'm not doing it. Maybe the second time it'll be easier, better results. You're right. It probably will be twice as fast and twice as better looking, but I just got to do it. I just don't have time. Like, after the day job, I do this, and I basically have to cancel a stream to shoot footage. And I never want to cancel a stream. I have too much fun with you guys. It's all your fault. All you guys out there. It's all your fault that this trailer isn't happening, because you make streaming too fun, and I'm just not shooting a trailer because of it. Thank you for putting me into GDFG. Oh, nice. Yeah. Wait, I didn't make the command yet. Custom. Add command. GDFG. Discord. If you're a beginner, or if you're a game dev, don't know where to find community, go here. Done. Let's see if that works. There it is. Oh, it didn't work. Damn it. Done.http. Wrong. We blew it. We blew it. Pseudo hacks. Thank you for the follow. Where'd it just go? GDFG. Okay, we fixed it. Full awful. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Welcome into the both of you. Classic streamer behavior, blaming chat. Hells yeah. Also, Mnemotic. Welcome in. I saw your message before. I failed to greet you properly. I'm habit forming. It's dangerous. Yeah. Uh, is it really 11 times slower? Yes, because it needs to be sent to a virtual machine. Unity visual coding is 5 times slower than Blueprints. Oh, wow. That's horrible. So you're saying Unity visual coding is 55 times slower than straight C++ and Unreal? That's insane. I don't use the visual scripting in Unity. Chat knows what they did. Yeah. Blame chat. That seems so strange for me, mostly because I wrote my own code generation, and realistically, I should be able to add a visual node system to write the code. Then it would be faster than most people's code. I mean, I guess it depends on if it's pre-compiled or post-compiled. I don't know. I don't know. Nothing wrong with using blueprints as long as you avoid some common pitfalls. I'm sure there's a lot of them. If anyone's interested in like Unreal devs, that guy out Oculus right there, really good Unreal dev, doing streams, working on a top-down MOBA-like, but now it seems to be shifting into like a single-player dungeon crawler. I don't know what's going on over there. Yeah, of course. All right, did we do the thing? No. Jimmy. I gotta fix Jimmy's exclamation mark. PvEVP MOBA. There it is. All right, Jimmy. Also, Jimmy doesn't sell flowers anymore. Jimmy sells like chocolates and stuff. So let's redecorate his stall. I kind of want to remodel these assets too. I hate them, and these are temporary. They're very dirty looking, and they don't follow my style in the game. These are just from a pack. Same with the barrels. Like I just have these random things in here. I should model something. We're figuring it out. Yeah, pivot like a pro, indeed. All right, Jimmy. Why doesn't your exclamation mark go away? Quest listeners. When this quest is active, we turn it on. When it's unassigned or six, oh, that's why. Excuse me, because it doesn't deactivate when we accept this quest. It's actually the quest entry that deactivates. So quest entry number. Yeah, let's just delete this. Clear collection. So quest entry 1, when it's active, we have the indicator. Quest entry 1, unassigned, is 0. Quest entry 1. Wait, where'd you go? Oops, wrong plus. Plus button. Quest entry 1. When it's success, we have 0. Okay, let's give that a shot. Let me test that. I'm sure you'd be a great model. Wait, what? I did some work on the game design doc and it changed my priorities. It tends to happen. It's a little scary too. It's like sometimes you work a long time on something and you think you have a vision for it. And then one day you wake up and you're just like, "Wait, I have a new vision. What do I do? Do I stick to the old vision or do I follow my new vision?" And it's like it's almost like you're betraying yourself, but it's probably good, you know? Wait, Thursday. Is the farmers market there on Thursdays? I don't think so. Oh, also mute audio. Lemnine. If you wake up with double vision, best see an optimal. Wait, optometrist? Ophthalmologist. I usually write them down, revisit them the next day. Sleep helps clarify the idea. You write ideas down? That's smart. I need to write ideas down. Stick to the old unless you want to never release anything. Yeah, it's true. But sometimes the new idea is like quicker. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. I didn't know that was how you spelled it. All right. I need to make the farmers market show up, and they show up on Fridays. So let's fast forward to Friday. It's possible to make small changes to bring it closer to that new vision. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I don't know, sometimes the new vision just makes total sense and the old vision just doesn't anymore. I have ADHD. I need to write ideas down. It's the only way I can get them out of my mind. I get that. Sometimes the ideas they build up in the head, and then the only way they'll get done is if I make a to-do list for myself, especially with real life. Sometimes I really let real life slip away, and I have to. Wait, it's Friday. Where are they at? Sorry, farmers market. When do they show up? What the hell? Farmer. Wait, market. No, location town. Meta Boulder. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Additive scenes, date conditions, weeks relative. Oh, it shows up Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Should it show up more often than that? All right, let's fast forward to Saturday then. Also, I don't need this profiler anymore. Let's close it. Is there any local game development culture near where you are in Japan? Yeah. Yeah, the indie game dev scene here is awesome. There's a meetup that I go to. There's two meetups that I go to frequently. One of them is, they're both once a month. They're both in Tokyo. They're both in like this similar like Akihabara, the nerdy town where all the anime stuff is in the arcades. One's like a bar night where there's presentations and everyone drinks and has fun and shows off their games, and it's really cool. And one of them's like, it's called the Wholesome Indies, and they meet on a weekend during the day, no alcohol, at like a cafe, and they rent the whole place out to show off their games. It's really cool. In LA, I found nothing. LA, I went to a couple of bar nights for like the Naughty Dog crew, Naughty Dog, Call of Duty. There's like a whole like indie professional crew that they all meet up at these random bars. And I went to one of those and it was like, you guys are professionals and I'm just like an indie idiot. So I couldn't really mesh with them. Mink Studio, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. But the scene here is pretty awesome. Loving the stream, by the way. I like the chill vibes. Pseudo, I appreciate it. Thank you. Have you tried bloodletting? No, I haven't tried that one yet. At least what I do with animation projects is brainstorming a lot, test things, and then just say, okay, this is the final direction we're going. And then I don't let myself change that drastically. So yeah, pre-production. Pre-production is key. That's what Odd's doing right now. Pre-production. Finn, look at this guy networking. I do my best. What up, Finn? Yeah, shout out to Finn. If you want another awesome Unreal dev, Finn. Also does Houdini, crazy Houdini artist. Nobody on Twitch is doing Houdini, at least not many, and he's one of them. Really good at it. Making a horror game. A weeb town full of wholesome indies. Yeah. It is a lot of foreigners. It's actually mostly foreigners. Both those meetups. One of them is half and half, and one of them is like mostly foreigners. It's kind of strange. It sounds amazing. Would love to do something like that. Would love something like, you mean like the indie meetups? Yeah, it's awesome. Tell me about it. LA has Riot Games on the west side, but I don't really notice many meetups with that scene. Lemnine, thank you for the follow. But yeah, I think the Riot people go to that same bar night. They're part of that like triangle of game devs. I forget the studio that um makes Call of Duty. Treyarch? No. I forget. Whatever. Yeah, there's like a triangle there. Yeah, shout out to me. It's me and there's another guy called Finn. Yeah, Finn, you deserve it. You should shout yourself out. Treyarch's one of them. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Infinity Ward. That's right. That's right. Yeah, because everyone's got Infinity Ward T-shirts at those nights. I gotta find the indie scene. Yeah, I couldn't find it. Good luck. If you find it, let me know. Assisted by Raven. I don't know who they are. Okay, it's Saturday. Let's go to the farmer's market, see if Jimmy's exclamation mark is fixed. So what I want to do is, okay, I just want to tweak the quest system to force it. Brain Zap. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. So reset, add quests. Jimmy's quest is called something about money. I forget. Welcome packet? No. Do it yourself? Is that it? No. Wait. Nah, it's not do it yourself. It's something about money. Starting fresh? Visit Carlos? No. Welcome packet? No. Visit Oriole. Where to next? No. Always selling. That's what it is. Always selling. So it's already success. So I'll unsucceed it. Talk to Jimmy. Success. No. Talk to Jimmy is active. Boom. He's got an exclamation mark. So if we talk to Jimmy now, Jimmy goes, hey there. Vic told me you were stopping by. Heard your bit strapped for cash. Here, take this. And it's gone. Perfect. Fixed. That was easy. It's Saturday. Oh, in the game. You got my hopes up. Sorry. They all have IW swag because they're not allowed out of the building during work hours. Yeah, they like to show their own. They like to show their company off, which is fine. I met a few cool people at those things, but like, they're you know, I haven't released a game in 12 years. I don't do game dev for a living, so I got the sense that like they did not care about indie devs at those things. They're like, oh, cool. Oh, so you have dreams. Good for you. Pat on the head. I'm like, oh, okay, thanks. I didn't get a welcoming vibe there. I'm sure that plenty of them are, but it's just a feeling. I don't know. What do I do for a living? I'm in advertising. I do visual effects for advertising. I make toothbrush commercials. It wasn't all right. So it wasn't as bad as I just described it, but it didn't feel right. There wasn't like a good mesh. Yanny, there's no big leagues here. We just got a big raid. Just got a big raid. So other game devs can recognize other people who have to sleep under their desks for 6 months a year. Yeah. Yeah, I take weekends, so welcome Raiders. Yeah. Welcome to Yanny Boy. Damn. How are you doing? 1/5 shampoo brands. Yeah, I do. I've done some shampoo. I've done some Head and Shoulders in my time. I think I've done others. Yeah, I do a lot of products. Doing good. Who are you? Have we met? You've met. Okay, fixed. That's another one off the list. Jimmy's exclamation bark. The quest indicator from Melissa. The quest indicator for Melissa's Diner is correct, but doesn't update when the things happen. Okay, this is actually an interesting one. So when Luiso Piloto, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. And Layla Codes, welcome in. How are you both? Only in your dreams. All right, so I have a quest where you send guests to a restaurant, and that restaurant keeps a track of how many people have visited. And once it hits 3, quest complete. But for some reason, the UI, the quest UI, doesn't update when the number increases. Like, I don't remember how the quest. Okay, so the quest UI only updates when quest things happen, and since that variable is just a random variable, it's not a quest number. Hello, everyone. Everyone, say hello back, please. So now I gotta like force update the quest UI at random, which is interesting because I don't want to have to custom. I don't want to have to do that every single time. The raid was like an hour ago. Everyone's just a viewer now. Kilika. I'm busy tonight. What are you doing to me? I'm not doing anything. You're doing it to yourself. You're doing this to me. A raid viewer is worth 2 loyal followers. That can't be true. That's more people than people. Making me work. Finn, you can go home. You can clock out if you'd like. Finn's my only mod. He's got a lot of work to do. And I'm one of his like 9 mods. You're in advertising. You should know by now, it is all about what you don't have. The seed of desire is stronger than the joy of possession. God damn, that's deep. That's deep. You're all night owls. I just sat down at my desk to start my day thinking about streaming. I don't know. It's 6 p.m. for me. I think everyone here is just like either a European or a New Zealander or an Australian, except Odd. It's like 2 a.m. for Odd. It's UT Soul. Yeah, I'm a DJen. Also, my mods aren't important unless they're editors. Are you an editor? No, I don't know. What? What does that mean? 10 a.m. for me? Well, good morning. 2 a.m. Yeah, that's late. I can't do 2 a.m. anymore. I can't do that. Oh, booyah. Yeah. What was I doing? Distracting. Oh, right. So the quest isn't updating. So where does that number even update? Quest listeners. Trading trades. Anyone can cook. It's this one. Here it is. Location event listener. When this happens, on guest visit reached. Wait, why do I do 2 things? Oh, right. So the threshold is 3, and once this 3 is hit, so this shouldn't be on guest visit reached. This should be on guest visit complete. And then I should have another event that's every time it happens. And then I should be able to update the quest UI. Hmm. Keep ending up at 2 a.m. every day due to that Irish John guy. Yo, Irish John. Thanks for reminding me. So our good friend Irish John Games. If you don't know him, you should. You know, Irish John Games. Please give our good friend Irish John a follow. He's an awesome Unity dev. He's published professional game dev, published by Microprose, that company that you've definitely heard of. He's also doing a partner push. Partner push. Is he really Irish? He is 100% Irish. I've never met a person more Irish than Irish John. Is he really called John? He's 100% called John. That is his name and his location. He doxed himself in his username. But yeah, give him a follow. He's gonna hit partner soon, and we just gotta help him out a bit. 10 a.m. here too. I'm procrastinating, aren't we all? I'm procrastinating. I gotta fix this quest. Yet I'm here reading chat. 2 a.m. is when I'm lying on the floor next to my 3-year-old. Oh, that's rough. 2 a.m. is when I'm crying on the floor next to. Oh my Jesus! You almost got me to say that. I keep ending up at 2 a.m. every day due to that. Oh yeah, I read that right. That's the only way to do it. Carrier command? What? What do you mean brush carrier command? But yeah, so Irish John's working on this. Rise of Piracy. It's awesome. Awesome game. You run a fleet, you pillage, get loot, gain crew members. Bruh, not brush. I still don't know what carrier command is, though. Canadian corn dog. His name is Jern, yeah. Codename Jern. Don't know about John, but sure is Irish. Why haven't you heard of carrier command? What is it? Living in good work. that's Finn's goal, is to get me to say ridiculous things on stream. It's an aircraft carrier sim. Never played it. Never heard of it. The last aircraft carrier game I played was Top Gun for the NES. Do you guys know Top Gun for the NES? You know, do you remember how hard it was to actually land on that thing? As a kid, as a small child, I don't think I ever successfully landed on the carrier once, but I still love that game. As an adult, I was finally able to do it, and I don't remember the secret. There was like a trick to it, but it was really hard. I remember it as a kid. It just was not possible. So close to 1K? How close? How close are we? See, I don't know. We might hit 1K at the same moment that the demo comes out. The Ashen King. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I find solace in your decrepitude. Is that word a bad word? Did you just get me to say a bad word? I don't know what that word is. Film tie-in, it obviously sucked. 1K plus demo launch simultaneously. The resin, the resin, there is no spoon? There is no spoon. Oh my God. I quit. Stream's over. There is no spoon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Aries. Add player to the name, or add name to the game. Random name. I can't believe I botched that. Sani, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Wait, Sani, you said something earlier. Tricks are for kids. Technique is the adult thing. Yeah. Although I have to watch that video now. So what was it? Top Gun NES. Raise your hand if you played this game. But yeah. Also, wishlist Rise of Piracy. Top Gun for the NES. This was the shit. I gotta pause the music. So good. Oh my god. Listen to that. Listen to it. Yo, I saw the new Top Gun a couple months ago. It was awesome. Awesome. This music just gets me going. All right. This was so hard. Oh my god, that sound. I want to see a remake of this. You were old enough to have had an NES, but not old enough to have encountered the word decrepitude? No. I must go. Thank you for allowing me to vicariously sample your youth. Anytime. Have a good one. Also, Dukin. Wasted many hours trying to land that thing. Yes, I'm not alone. All right, let's see if they can land it. Let's skip to the end. So yeah, the dogfighting, awesome. How did they program this on the NES? That's crazy. Let's get to the end here. Landing sequence. This was so hard. He's gonna do it. This person's got a trick. They know what they're doing. I never, as a kid, ever successfully did this right. There's just no indication like what was wrong. Yeah, yeah, up, up, up. Was maybe that was the issue? See, what did it mean? Does it mean point this up or does it mean get more altitude? Like even now as an adult, like which one? Oh, they did it! I thought I was gonna crash. They did it. That was impossible as a kid. Shooting stuff was the easy bit then. Yeah, shooting stuff was fun. MLG. I'm shouting you out. I haven't seen you stream in a bit, but I'm shouting you out anyway. All right, I love that. That was a fun diversion. Anyway, more bugs. Games are pretty unforgiving back in the good old days. Yeah. Yeah, they were totally unforgiving. They just did not care about your knowledge or your skill set or anything. They're just like, they would put vital information in like the last page of the pamphlet, like the manual. And nobody had the manuals like after like a week. The manual was in the garbage or something, especially as a 7-year-old. I had the NES, yeah, when I was 5 years old playing the NES. Impossible. He doing it wrong though. You gotta first do a flyby so the guy in the tower spills his coffee, then you turn around and land. Wait, what? That was a scene. Was that the scene in the movie? Did that happen? I heard somewhere it's a carryover property from arcade machines where they want you to stay as long as possible. Oh, right. So make it super difficult. Like that was the catch for arcades to keep you there trying and trying. But then NES didn't have to do that. You just, but they did it anyway because that's all they knew. That makes sense. That makes sense. So how the hell is this going to update the quest? Maybe I just do it here. How do I? Can I force it? I think I can force it. Ooh. There's a way to force it. There's a way to force it. And where is it? It's on the UI manager. No, it's on the dialogue system. Quest completion listener. I know it's here somewhere. Dialogue manager completed. Force update. I know there's a force update. Show alert, set quest field. No, maybe it's on the quest thing itself. Time canvas panel. Quest entries. Standard UI quest tracker. Day event listener. Day event listener. What does it do? Check day events. Why is it check day events? Does it just update this thing? Where's the update? I know there's just a one-off function that updates it somewhere. Maybe it's here. UI, standard UI quest tracker. No, this is the Pixel Crushers wrapper. I swear I do this somewhere. It's just a singleton function call. Also, some were just very badly programmed. That too. That's probably the bigger problem. For the monetization of arcade machines, they needed to make 25 cents every 3 minutes for an arcade owner to buy a machine. That's a lot. Especially film tie-ins. I'm not even kidding about that. They churn them out every few months. Yeah. Like the ET game, the famously terrible ET game. Hardly played the NES, sadly. It was always more my parents. Yeah, I was around for that one. I remember Star Tropics. There was a letter with the game that you had to hold on to until a certain point in the game where you had to put it in water to reveal a code. Many kids just threw that away when they got the game. That sounds right. That definitely sounds right. What? What is this? Where did I put that one line of code? I know it's somewhere. How is it not in either of these? Quest completion. On quest state change. New quest. Quest complete. It's not here. What? Oh, let me go into this. Maybe it'll tell me. Register for update tracker events. Update tracker events. Maybe I can make this thing register to the changing of that variable as an update tracker event. Show tracker, hide tracker, toggle tracker. Refresh at end of frame. Update tracker. Public virtual void. It's a public virtual void. That means I could reference it, but I don't want to reference it because I want to call it from many different places. Update tracker. On conversation end. On quest tracking disabled. On quest track. So yeah, where else does this thing? Oh my god, it does it 100 times. Show track. When I show it, it updates. The dialog manager instance receive update tracker. Compared to the cost of indie games, the cost of playing arcade games was much, much higher. Yeah. I was at an arcade a couple of weeks ago with my brother, and we sat down at Street Fighter. And for 100 yen, we played for like 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. It was like a full single player campaign through the battles. And I was pretty shocked that we were able to play for that long. And 100 yen is like, it's like 75 cents, maybe 70 cents. Where the hell can I call this thing? How about this? Um, Quest tracker. I'm pretty sure there's a static way to do it. So all of these are the plugin. Hmm. He landed the plane, yeah. He successfully landed. It didn't look like it. It made this arc that looked like it was going to crash, but it was trickery. When you attach the script to a dialog manager object or a child, it will display track quests. Using the new Unity UI, it updates when the player toggles tracking in the quest log. And at the end of a conversation, if you change the state of a quest elsewhere, you must manually call update tracker. Oh. Oh. Is that true? So I'm manually updating it anyway. Uh, where? Quest completion. Update. Oh, look at this. Wait. Quest complete. How? Where am I doing that though? Update tracker. What if I search everywhere? Dialog manager dot send update tracker. Demo menu. What is that? No, these are all plugin stuff. Plugin stuff. Plugin stuff. Plugin stuff. It's all plugin stuff. What? Wait, so I don't call this function anywhere? Every single one of these is in the Pixel Crushers plugin. Well, that's not helpful. When are you getting on threads with me and Shauno? It's all kicking off now. Is that true? Is that a thing? Do they have hashtags yet? We found each other today. Oh, is that like? Oh, they do. They have hashtags now. There must be another place where I update this thing. Track? No. Update. Quest updated. Invoke. Oh, wait. I invoke something. Let's see what I invoke. What do we invoke? The quest listener is here. We invoke Innkeep quest tracker update tracker. We do it in the editor. So may ooh. Okay. Okay. I got an idea. Since this already has the reference to it, what I'll do is I'll throw an event that's like, hey, update quest tracker, and then this thing will listen for it. And that's that. Game event listener. Game event. Events always come to the rescue. Always. And then we'll listen for the game event, update quest tracker. Done. On enable. There's someone at the door. I need to take a 2-second break. Hold on 1 sec. All right, we're back. We're back. Who knocks on people's doors? Only in Japan. It was a delivery guy. I was getting an Amazon package. Dragon Spirit, good morning. Hope everyone's fantastic. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. Well, at least I'm doing okay. I don't know about the rest of you. I started a little cranky. If you were Wardstone or Beegs, you know how cranky I was in the beginning of this. But I'm better now. Mood fixed. Stream always fixes the mood. Thank you. But I'm actually gonna call it. I'm gonna call it, and maybe I'll just do this one thing. All right, we're gonna wind down stream in a few minutes, and raid out. We're gonna raid out. This dots no. Start listening. There it is. Game event. On destroy or on disable? Probably on disable. Public void on event game event e. If e dot event type equals game event type dot update quest tracker. Then update quest entries? No. What am I invoking? What am I invoking again? Quest updated. Dot invoke. Perfect. They just throw your shit at the door here and sign it for them to Not here. Well, if I wasn't home, they would have tried to get in the building, and they would have left it at my door if they could have gotten into the building. That's what Amazon will do. If it was any other delivery service, they will not leave it. No way. You need to sign for it, which is pretty messed up. There's no reason unless you write a multi-instance server to not use singleton and or static classes. I agree. I like singletons. It's just that I couldn't make this a singleton because this is a plugin. I didn't make this, so I wasn't just gonna make it a singleton. And then this can theoretically show up twice or something. I don't know. I like events. Events are clean. I use yeah, this game has like 30 singletons in it. Trust me. I'm a fan. Okay, so now when this location event is invoked, we game event dot trigger update tracker. Done. We did it. That should fix that. And I'm gonna find a raid target. Yo, today was crazy. She's got like 30 follows just today. Nah, that can't be. Nah, we didn't get 30. Let's count them up. Let's shout you all out. All right, who we got? Sani Sensei, There Is No Spoon, The Ashen King, Layla Codes, Luzo, Brain, Lem, Mink, Meta Boulder, Full Awful, Pseudo, Tenchi, K-Skag, Cab Skibs, Visitor Guy, Waffy, Hey, McFiston, Virtuose, Infinite, Mel, Gamba something, Lamb, Hess, and Razor. Holy sh! That's the most in a day ever. That's crazy. Yo, Adam, Turgis, thank you for those raids. Finn, thank you so much for modding, keeping us safe. We even got a big emote. Two nerdy nerds. That was you. I think that was you. Thank you for those bits. I wish the bits showed up here. I wish the big emote bits showed up here. This is insane. This has never happened to me before. That's crazy. Yo, thank you. Thank you, everyone. We're 3 days out. 3 days out from the demo, and 24-hour stream on 1,000. You kidding me? You kidding me? No way. Military, what? Military. That would be insane if you weren't following. Wait, you thought you were? No, you definitely. What? Nah. Unless one day you got frustrated with me and unfollowed. I've done that before. And then I undid my frustration and refollowed that person. I'm guilty of that. I don't know how this is the first time seeing you. I'm sneaky. All right. Who are we gonna raid? Who's on our team right now? Who's on our team right now? And do we want to meet someone new? Oh, I've never raided Bad Cop before. I've never been able to raid Bad Cop before. They're just not on at the same time as me, so we're gonna raid Bad Cop. I hope they're on for a little longer. If I just clicked it. Kilika, have a great one. Grandmas be sneaky like that. Yeah, we are. All right, everybody, have a good one. I'll be back probably tomorrow. And yeah, we did it. We did it. We got a lot done today. I feel good. All right. Have a good night, y'all. Oh yeah, and make sure to give Alpine Lake a wish list if you haven't already.